What's up, everyone? Great to see you back. Today, I'm giving you an in-depth look at ExpressVPN, including why I use it, how it works, and why it's highly recommended for anyone who cares about privacy, security, and unlocking the full web. If you just signed up for ExpressVPN or you're considering getting it, this guide will cover step-by-step how easy it is to use, and if you're still on the fence, don't miss my special discount link in the description below. Let's start with ease of use. ExpressVPN has a super intuitive app. You just open it, select a server from dozens of countries worldwide, and connect with a single tap. It's lightning fast, you're protected in less than a second, while some other VPNs might take a while to connect. Why is changing servers useful? Well, if you want to access shows from different countries, like American Netflix, UK exclusive series, Disney Plus, or Hulu, you just pick the right location, and you can stream as if you're there. ExpressVPN consistently gets past blocks from streaming platforms, so you aren't stuck with error messages or slow connections. Security is another strong point. ExpressVPN uses the highest grade encryption, AES-256, so your data stays safe from hackers and snoopers. There's also a kill switch. If the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, ExpressVPN blocks all internet traffic so nothing leaks and you're never exposed. Worried about privacy? ExpressVPN doesn't keep logs of your browsing or connection data. That means even they can't see what you do online, keeping you truly anonymous. Now, let's talk about some advanced features. Split tunneling lets you choose which apps use the VPN and which connect normally. For example, you can use the VPN just for your browser or streaming apps while keeping your banking apps on the local network. Threat Manager and Ad Blocker prevent your device from talking to trackers or malicious websites while blocking annoying ads for a smoother experience. ExpressVPN also has apps for tons of platforms: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, smart TVs, and even routers, so you can protect all your devices at once. I especially love using ExpressVPN while traveling. It keeps my connection safe when I'm on public Wi-Fi, lets me access my favorite shows and services from home, and helps bypass restrictions in countries with heavy censorship. As for pricing, ExpressVPN might be a bit pricier than some other VPNs, but you're getting top-notch speed, reliability, and support. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. So, if you want a VPN that's fast, simple, and secure, I highly recommend ExpressVPN. Use the link in my description for the best discounts and extra months free. Hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you have questions or want a deeper guide on any VPN feature. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.